हूँ। मेरा नाम येशुदास है। तो मेरा प्रश्न इस तरह से है कि इस्लाम कितनी शादी करने का इजाज़त देता है और क्यों?
Brother asked the question that how many marriages are permitted in Islam and why? Referring to the polygamy.
मतलब मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि कुरान के अनुसार में सही में कितना होना चाहिए और कितना नहीं होना चाहिए।
According to the Quran, how many marriages can you do? As far as the woman is concerned, according to Surah An-Nisa, chapter number 4, verse number 20 to 24, a married woman cannot marry again, so women should have only one husband maximum. As far as the other is concerned, Quran says in Surah An-Nisa, chapter number 4, verse number 3, marry women for choice in 2s, 3s or 4s, but if you can't do justice, marry only one. You can marry 2, 3 or 4, but if you can't do justice, marry only one. This statement, marry only one if you can't do justice, is only given in the Quran. There is no other scripture on the face of the earth which says marry only one besides the Quran. If you read the Ramayana, if you read the Mahabharata, you can marry as many wives as you want. If you read Ramayana, the father of Ram, how many wives he had? He had more than one wife. Krishna, if you read Mahabharata, how many wives he had? 2, 4, 10, 1,000, 10,000, 16,108 wives. So when Krishna can have 16,108 wives, so why can't we Muslims have up to 4? If you read the Bible, in the Old Testament as the New Testament, you can marry as many wives as you wish. Solomon had 700 wives. Abraham had 3 wives according to the Bible. It is the church which put up a limit. Christians should marry only one. It is Rabbi Ben Shimgan Houda who passed a synod that Jews should marry only one. In India, it is the Indian Penal Code in 1954 which passed a law in Hindu Marriage Act which said that Hindu should marry only one. It is the Indian Penal Code, not the Hindu scripture, which says that Hindu should have only one wife. Let's analyze what are the reasons that Islam gives permission for a man to have more than one wife. Marrying more than one wife is not compulsory in Islam, it's optional. But if you marry more than one wife, you should do justice between your wives. The logical reasons we can think that Islam has given permission are that male and female are born in equal proportion. But if you ask any medical doctor, any pediatrician, he will tell you that the girl, the female child, is the stronger sex medically as compared to the male child. She can fight the germs and diseases much better than a male child. So more female children are alive as compared to male children. As life goes on, there is death due to war, due to accident, due to cigarette smoking, due to alcohol. In all these cases, more male are dying as compared to female. So today in the world, there are more females in the world as compared to